Right, here we are at the American Airlines side, Terminal 4, future headhouse over here on 400 World Way. Right here is the bulk of the construction going on, or lack thereof. Another disappointing trip here, over here, where you don't see much work going on. I got here a little late in the day. Right now it's about 2:35 in the afternoon, so I don't know if they do a lot of their work earlier in the day and they're kind of spread thin as far as workers go. I'm trying to spot, it looks like they have some coatings along the edges here on some of these beams, like maybe some fireproof retardant, asbestos free hopefully, coatings here. Other than that, you got that upper small level roof line there. I think that's about as tall as the project's going to get. There goes American Airlines jet. Taking a look here, top to bottom, there is not a single soul on the site. So that's a bummer. We're not able to catch any action going on here today, but I guess we can just kind of appreciate the structure as it stands now and the work that's gone into it for the past few months or so, whenever this project was underway after demolition of the old headhouse. And here's the future pedestrian walkway that will connect you over here to the American side. And then you can get off here if you want to get to the West Station, or keep on going over to the Delta end. You can see beyond this structure, there is an additional structure being built. From this vantage point, I can't get a great look at it. Maybe if I was over like across the runway over by Clutter's Park, from way that way, I might be able to see it from that angle, but so it's hard to say if more work's going in over to that side or this side, or they're just splitting duties.